Like on the ET5, this printer is just simply to assemble in quite a few steps. You can attach the wires, and here you also got the whole carriage. You see here, you see the hot end. It's extra strong. I don't know if you can see it here. You got the little extra strengthening bolt beside the heat break, so it won't break that easy as on many other printers. And it is with these rolls. This goes here on the gantry. And with the lower one you got this special motor that you can turn around. And with that you can just adjust the tightness here on the profile. This is the sensor which you will see is the same thing as you do on the ET5, so see my review on that one. You see here the cables are connected directly to the back with the same support as on the ET5, with all the cables here. Tie them up right here with the motor, sensors and everything. Very neatly. Last thing to connect, if you're ready, is of course the satisfying cable. Open them, push them in, click, ready. As with the ET5, it's very important also here to have the whole gantry leveled, and you can do it with these little screws here. You see on the, this is normally the left side, you got a little screw here, and of course then you can just make it horizontal by little turning here, so that this height is exactly the same as on this side, on the left side. This is very important to get good results. Also, even if this has automatic bed leveling, because it's only leveling the bed. You can see my video about the bed leveling on the ET5 for that as well.